With the latest updates, your Typhoon H Plus now has zoom capabilities. It actually works rather well, although obviously it's not a true zoom. First, we're going to show you the controller screen as we go through two sets of zooms, 2, 4, and 8x. Okay, let's ride. We will do these tests at 100 feet elevation. Our first target is the orange drone sitting on the ground. The day is overcast and windy, with wind some 10 to 15 miles per hour. We found that the 8x setting is mostly useful for still photos, not videos. These last photos are from the micro card itself. This video is set at 4x. Our next and final target is an old dead tree laying on the ground. Here's what it looks like with no zoom at all. Two X. Four X. And 8x. Quite incredible, I'd say. Thanks for watching. Another BozzaCat production.